Nana Lal Kidwai needs no introduction in the modern society. Former president of FICCI and the current chairman of Max Financial Services was delighted to see the participations of innovators at the DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program. In an exclusive chat, Nana gave emphasis on the system which can help these innovators to shine globally. 30 innovation led startups were recognized and felicitated recently under the 10th year of the DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program, and Nana came out with full praise for the IIGP.
Absolutely. And if you look at this program, it's been running for 10 years. And the beauty of it is that the earlier awardees, some have gone to the public markets, the capital markets, done IPOs. The partnerships that we're able to provide through the mentorship coming from institutes like the Stanford Business School, we've had through the University of Texas in Austin. We have a whole bunch of exchanges which happen across universities, but even more important is by showcasing them, they are able to raise funds locally, they're able to go to market. And we do this through FICCI, where we are then able to showcase these to industry here, so that industry itself can engage with these companies. So the partnerships are very, very important. And in fact, Ernst & Young has done a study for us which has proven that about $800 million of business has actually been created by these awardees. So there's real business coming out of the program.
At the same time, Nana feels the time has come to create an environment where funds and mentors can easily be accessible.
Of course, and I think it's really gratifying to see it's all age groups, they're men and women, it's from the Indian Institutes of Technology, but it's from other institutes as well, that the base that is giving us these awardees is getting wider every day. And the program runs through 100 cities. So when we get these applications, 700 to 800 applications a year, of which only a few get awarded, but there is a whole ethos in India which is running right now, where people, young and old, are giving up jobs and innovating and then looking to commercialize that innovation. So we need to do a lot more. We need to make the regulatory environment easier. We need to make funding easier. We need more venture capital and angel funding. And we certainly need more mentors who can handhold these wonderful ideas and take them into the market.
Through a wide outreach campaign spread over 100 cities across India, the program has reached and evaluated over 7,000 ideas so far. According to the former FICCI president, it was very tough to find winners in the end.
You hear from the jury members who have spent the last 4 days evaluating these ideas how difficult it has been to pick the winners, which tells me that for everyone who was awarded, there were probably another 10 that should have been awarded, but it was limited because the numbers had to be limited. So those ideas are as worthy in terms of marketability and funding as those that have been awarded. So that's the quality as a whole is superb.